Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by locking in the essentials: a firm wrist hinge and a controlled tempo. Make the first move with your hips and legs, not your hands. Once your lower body initiates, let your upper body follow while maintaining that 90 degrees hinge. This preserves lag and prevents the club head from flying ahead. Keep a 3-count rhythm so you don't rush. Practice half swings keeping the hinge intact. This trains the neural pattern you need before adding full speed. Once done with the initiation, focus on holding lag into the slot and resisting the urge to release early. Keep your trail elbow connected to your ribs and your trail wrist bent so the club head stays behind your hands. Make sure pressure moves to your lead foot and your hips rotate open to create room for the arms. This combination forces the club to drop into the correct inside path. Practice strikes with abbreviated follow-throughs, so you finish by allowing the stored energy to release after impact, not before. Make sure your belt buckle and chest rotate toward the target and your lead arm is relatively straight at the finish. That tells you didn't cast. If you still cast, use a simple drill. Tuck a towel under your trail armpit and swing without dropping the towel. This prevents arm separation and forces a proper release. If it still fails, slow the swing and rebuild the sequence from the hips.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.